Hi, in this video, I am going to talk about 10 biology or life sciences related courses, BSc courses, which have high research potential in medical field and even in other allied fields. We will directly go into the video. The first courses I am going to talk about is BSc in genetics and BSc in molecular biology. Both these courses are different courses, but they are very similar in their study and field. That's why I have put them together. In genetics, you will be studying DNA level information with respect to human and other organisms. And molecular biology is a little more broader, not just the gene level, but you will be even studying on a cell level. Today, as medical scientific research is advancing, most of the research is done in molecular level or DNA level. There are a lot of works going on to develop gene related therapies, new diagnostic tools based on changes in our genes, advanced gene editing techniques which can cure diseases. And based on our genetic and cellular level understanding, personalized medicines are also planned. These fields also have high scope in agriculture, where we are creating new drought resistant and high yield crops, gene level identification of crimes, etc. Also, these fields have higher scope. Now, when it comes to job opportunities, there are scientific roles available in government, in pharma companies, and even in high-end academic institutions. You will be able to start with a BSc degree itself, but it is highly recommended that you do a master's at least. And if you can specialize to become a PhD, then your opportunities in high-end institutions become even more available. You can directly do BSc in these subjects, or you can do a basic BSc in botany, zoology, or life sciences, and then in specialization, you can do it in genetics or molecular biology. The second course is biotechnology. Biotechnology uses the findings in genetics, molecular biology kind of domain, using the research findings from genetics, molecular biology, etc. Biotechnologists create applications which can be used in medical and other fields. So, biotechnology is the pioneering field in developing new drugs, new diagnostic tools, new therapies, etc. based on the researches available, right? In a way, we can say that biotechnology is a connection between foundational research and application point of it. That's why we call it as technology. Other than medical field, we can also use biotechnology in environmental remediation, pollution control projects. It is also used in generating new biofuels, that is generating electricity from algae, etc. This is a very growing and very powerful field because of the effects of climate change and all. There is a lot of research and effort put in biofuels. Again, here as well, you will be having opportunities in academics, government, private, and even in quality control in biomanufacturing units. I want to stress on one thing. It is better that you have a clear navigation path. Even if you do your BSc in a tier 2 or tier 3 college, always aim to do your PG in a very good college. For that, there are a lot of competitive exams available in India. You will be able to do your researches in Indian Institute of Science, Indian Institute of Science and Education Research, IITs, etc. It is always better to plan for those exams very earlier itself in parallel with your college studies, where you will have a lot of scope for research and growth. In this channel, we will be providing simple strategies by which you will be able to prepare for such kind of exams easily from your college life itself. So do subscribe to this channel and like this video so that it can reach many people. Share it with your friends, students, or parents who are also in search of science-related career streams. We are putting maximum information about government exams, job opportunities in our WhatsApp channel. So you can also join the WhatsApp channel using the link given in the description below. Third course is biochemistry. Whatever we do as human beings, whether we walk, whether we talk, whether we laugh, everything is based on certain chemical reactions which is happening within ourselves. There are enzymes in our body which control our mood, our emotions, etc. Right? So, biochemistry is a field which studies the chemical reactions within our biological system. If we are affected by a disease, how this disease is going to affect our chemical processes, that is studied by biochemists. If a new drug is discovered, the effect of such drugs in our body can also be studied by biochemists. So, this field is very much useful in developing new drugs, personalized nutrition based on our body's enzyme levels, etc. Then in development of new biomaterials. Other than that, in environmental science and in nutrition field also, it has a lot of scope. In a way, biochemistry is a broader field where you will be studying biology and chemistry together. If you have such kind of interest, this is going to be a wonderful field for you. Again, to become a biochemist, you can directly do a biochemistry BSc, or you will be able to take basic biosciences or chemistry and then move on to biochemistry. In your masters, if you specialize in something like enzymology, that is studying about the enzyme and how they function, or in metabolic biochemistry, how our body's metabolism is affected by biochemistry, these fields have a lot of options, and it is preferable that you do a PhD later as well. Before taking career decision, it is always better that you know about the course what you are going to study and the future opportunities, right? We have made a detailed ebook with 178 pages, which has clear information about 160 plus career courses which you can take after your schooling. I would sincerely recommend you to download this from the link below. The fourth course is microbiology. Microbiology is a course where you will be studying about microbes like bacteria, virus, fungi, etc. Most of the diseases today are caused by microbes, right? So understanding about microbes will help us to develop antibiotics, treatment for infectious diseases, vaccines. Also, we should not consider every microorganism as negative. You may know that our body itself has more than billions of microorganisms, and they play a very important and crucial role in our digestive process. So even to understand our gut health, to know about the good bacteria, this microbiology study is very crucial. Other areas is in our environment also, the whole ecological cycle is balanced by many microbes. For example, in decomposition of organisms and all, microorganisms play a major role. Even in food science, to ferment foods, to increase the nutritional value of foods, to increase the shelf life of foods, microbiology plays a major role. Fifth is physiology. We know that all our organs have specific functions, and these functions are very interrelated also. So in physiology, you will be studying all these interrelatedness in our body. In medical research, you will be able to develop personalized medicines. Then prosthetic can be done by physiologists. If there are tissue damages, there are a lot of research going on how to regenerate these cells and damaged tissues. This area also physiology plays a major role. Sports also physiology plays a major role. In ergonomic design of cars, chairs, many engineering products, physiology has a major role. Number 6 is clinical research. So far, we spoke about a lot of research opportunities, right? Now, whatever research is done and drugs are developed, this needs to be given to people who are affected by it. But clinical research is the field which does lot of trials and experiment in people so that we really understand the effect of a drug and the side effects. These things are analyzed by clinical research people. Then these data are given to organizations like WHO and various government organizations. If those results are fine and good, only then governments allow these medicines to be sent to the market and to the doctors. So as a clinical research person, you will be doing trials on medications, documenting the result and analyzing their effect, and you will be giving critical information for governments to make public health policies. While manufacturing a medicine, even if certain combinations go wrong or if some small impurity is added also, it can have very big negative impact on people. So clinical research as a department will help you to understand about the good clinical practices, good manufacturing practices, and you will get a lot of job opportunities in pharma companies as well. Seventh is bioinformatics. This is a very peculiar and growing field. Here, we all have one or other disease at different points of time, right? So we all go to hospital and our records need to be maintained. Based on these data, there can be a lot of inputs for the research community that is bridged by bioinformatics as a discipline. This is a very unique discipline where there's a combination of biology, computer science, and statistics together. Using these computational tools, all this biological data is analyzed. This is helpful in discovering new drugs. Bioinformaticians also manage all these medical databases. Based on all the data collected, bioinformaticians are the one who give information about how fast the disease is spreading. If you give a vaccine, whether that vaccine is having effect or how many people have got cured based on the vaccine, etc. To create biology or medical related software, bioinformatics people will have crucial, unique, niche kind of understanding about both biology and computer science. So you will be getting roles in even software development company. Number 8, 9 and 10 are fundamental subjects. BSc in Life Sciences, BSc in Botany, BSc in Zoology. This is very similar to what you would have studied in school. These are courses which are very broad based, and if you are not very clear or very particular about any of the courses we spoke so far, you can do BSc in these broader subjects, and during your undergraduation you will be able to understand these subjects better. Based on that, you will be able to specialize in a particular field when you are doing your MSc. Again, as I said, it is always better that you plan your career life much in advance. For school students, we say from 8th standard onwards, even if you are in your 12th, before joining itself, if you are having a clear idea about your inner strengths, inner passion, interest, etc., and then you couple it with the market opportunities, you have high chance of getting success in your career, and it will avoid you from going through a lot of career confusions later. If you want to have a detailed analysis of your personality, then I would sincerely recommend you to take a psychometric assessment based career counseling. You can use the link in the description below to book a online session. If you are a student from a max biology background, you can even pursue engineering in few of these subjects. You might have known about engineering in biotechnology, engineering in bioinformatics, biomedical engineering, etc., right? Other than that, there are 5 doctor-like courses. These are courses which you don't need NEET. Then there are many paramedical courses like nursing, BSc in radiology, etc., which also I will be discussing in another video. Detailed information about all these courses are already given in the ebook. If you want to see all of them in a single shot with the syllabus, the future scope, etc., you can download that using the link given in the description. All the very best for your career future. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video.